And we have to think about how we can fund journalism so that we are not too dependent on certain people. Because when you're too dependent on certain people, then it becomes very difficult to be independent. One of the biggest impacts we have seen was obviously in the 2016 election in the United States. What was so successful there was that people used social media. They had data they had the data of private citizens, and so they were able to target messages particularly to individuals. And these things make you fear. They spread a lot of fear. They make you afraid of people who are not like you. And because the message is received privately, a lot of times you start thinking of us versus them. You don't think about the situation. You're saying that these people who are not like us, they hate us, they're coming to take over. And that was very apparent in the US election. Even in last year's general election in Kenya, we saw some of this use of social media. There were two videos that spread on social media, one on CNN, the other on BBC, and they claimed that CNN and BBC were reporting that Uhuru Kenyatta was ahead of Raila Odinga by a wide margin, when in fact the two were very, very close together. The election was actually too close to call, but these two fake polls were saying that they were very far away. So what do we learn from a situation like that? One of the things that we observed was that the owners, the broadcasters, CNN and BBC, were able to call this content out because there were certain things in the videos that were different from what it normally looks like. So if you see a video that says, for example, that a certain TV station or a certain radio station has published certain things, the first thing you have to do is check and see if it is official. So, was it produced by that official TV station? So if you go to their social media account and you don't see it there, if you go to their website and you don't see it there, you should start asking questions.